Each fall at the Mississippi School for Mathematics and Science, MSMS, there is an MSMS Math Superstars competition. MSMS Math Superstars is 4 weeks of problems, specifically math problems, written by MSMS high school seniors as an act of service to the community, and solved by 2nd through 5th grade students throughout Mississippi. The problems are delivered by classroom teachers who feel their students need opportunities to do more challenging problem-based math. The top problem solvers come together for a final contest at the end of the 4 weeks. It's an opportunity for more challenging mathematics, more teamwork and collaboration, more diversity and community building. MSMS Math Superstars is 4 weeks of problems that enhance the future of Mississippi by enriching the lives of those who solve them.